AI in engineering. What if machines could design faster than the human mind? What if structures, cars, bridges, and even entire cities were imagined by intelligence beyond human limitation? This is not science fiction. This is the rise of artificial intelligence in engineering design. Welcome to Built Different, where engineering meets the future. What is AI in engineering design? Artificial intelligence in engineering design refers to the use of machine learning algorithms, data-driven models, and optimization systems to assist or fully automate the design process. Traditionally, engineers relied on manual calculations, CAD modeling, trial and error prototyping. But today, AI systems can generate thousands of optimized design solutions in seconds. One revolutionary concept leading this change is generative design, popularized by tools like Autodesk Fusion 360. Instead of drawing a part manually, engineers input constraints, materials, load conditions, manufacturing methods, and the AI generates multiple optimized solutions. It's not replacing engineers, it's supercharging them. Why AI is exploding now? AI in engineering design is rising rapidly because of three key factors. 1. Massive computing power. Cloud platforms and GPUs now allow complex simulations in minutes instead of weeks. 2. Big data availability. AI learns from millions of design datasets, simulations, and real-world performance results. 3. Advanced simulation tools. Companies like enthusiast integrate AI into simulation workflows, predicting failures before prototypes are built. This means less waste, lower cost, faster product development, stronger and lighter designs, real-world applications. Companies like Airbus use AI-generated designs to create lighter aircraft components. Result? Reduced fuel consumption, lower emissions, higher efficiency. AI design parts often look organic, almost like bones, because AI optimizes for strength-to-weight ratio beyond human intuition. Automotive engineering. General Motors used generative design to redesign seat brackets, making them 40% lighter, 20% stronger. AI is also optimizing electric vehicle battery cooling systems, crash simulations, aerodynamics, civil and structural engineering. AI now helps predict structural failures, optimize building materials, design earthquake-resistant structures. Machine learning models analyze past structural collapses to prevent future disasters. This is engineering powered by prediction. AI versus engineers, threat or tool. Will AI replace engineers? Short answer, no. Long answer, engineers who don't use AI may be replaced by those who do. AI lacks human creativity, ethical reasoning, contextual judgment. Engineering is not just math. It's responsibility. AI becomes a collaborator, a powerful design assistant. The future of AI in engineering. The next frontier includes digital twins, virtual replicas of physical systems that update in real time, autonomous design systems, AI that designs, tests, and iterates without human input. AI plus 3D printing. Fully optimized components printed exactly as AI designed them. We are entering an era where design cycles shrink from years to days. Why this matters to you? If you are a student, a young engineer, a creator, or just passionate about technology, learning AI tools today could define your career tomorrow. The future engineer will need coding knowledge, data literacy, design thinking, AI integration skills. The world is shifting. The question is, will you shift with it? Engineering built the world. AI is rebuilding how we engineer the world. This is not the end of human creativity. It is the amplification of it. And those who master this technology will truly be built different. If you found this video valuable, like, share, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to Built Different for more engineering insights that push boundaries. See you in the next one.